StudioLive. It's about bringing together two worlds in harmony, studio and live sound production. It's about expanding what's possible with new technology, helping you create inspiring performances. You put your heart and soul into every mix, and that's why we put ours into the StudioLive Series 3 digital mixers. We began by engineering a new platform capable of more in a compact digital mixer than was ever even feasible in the past. Things like multi-track recording without a computer, state space modeled emulations of analog outboard gear, and flex mixes that can change between auxes, subgroups, and matrix mixes. With Capture, we bridge the gap between stage and studio with simple one-touch recording that could then be opened in Studio One along with your complete mix scene. Now, that technology is integrated into the mixer itself. Pristine, uncompressed multi-track recordings without a computer. Plugins that model vintage gear are a mainstay in the studio. Now, take those sounds live with vintage EQ and compressor model options available on every input channel. Of course, you also get them in Studio One with the new Series 3 Fat Channel plugin. A great sounding mixer and cutting-edge technology are only pieces to a complete mixing experience. Workflow, how you navigate your mix and access features. This is where the StudioLive Series 3 goes from great to extraordinary. An all-new Fat Channel layout, driven by user feedback, works alongside a gorgeous touchscreen to let you navigate with ease and precision. Work with your channels in a traditional one-to-one layout, or use the unique split layer workflow utilizing filtered DCA groups and group spills. We know no two users are the same. That's why we also provide customizable layouts for both channel faders and the Fat Channel. An unprecedented level of workflow customization that makes the StudioLive Series 3 an extension of yourself and your way of mixing. This is a new era in digital mixing. This is StudioLive.